Wow. Okay, let me turn off my fan. I finally figured out how to like see myself while I'm filming. It sounds so ridiculous because I've been on YouTube for a while. Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Erica and thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you, whether you're returning or new. So today's video is going to be another Valentine's Day look. Happy Valentine's Day, happy Black History Month. So if you guys haven't heard of, oh my god, let me grab my phone because I have no idea how to say this word. Oh geez, let me not knock over the camera. Okay. So I'll show you guys what my look is going to be inspired by today. It's called, I'm sure you guys have seen this, it's called Comme des Garçons. I'm not saying that right. You guys know this little, these little flower, I mean not flowers, sorry. These little hearts. Come on, let me click the photo. Whatever, let me show you all my nails instead because it's not wanting to focus. I did my nails for this occasion. Come on, man. Oh, here we go, here we go. It was focused for a second. Here we go. Nothing professional, you know, just little old me. We're gonna get started on today's look. I'm gonna do one eye just to show you guys how to do it. And then I think I'm gonna do the other eye, maybe for a TikTok or an IGTV. I don't know. I don't know yet, but we're gonna get into it. I have an idea of what I'm gonna do and I'm excited. I'm also really excited to finally have figured this out. Let me practice actually looking here, not over here. Okay, let me look at my reference photo one more time, even though I already know what I'm doing. What am I doing with it? Okay, I'm just nervous. So, I'm gonna start by, I already primed my eyes, but you could use concealer, you can use a base, whatever you want. If you want your eyes to be like perfectly matched and stuff, I would say start with your hardest eye first. So for me, that's my left eye. So today I'm actually going to be doing a cut crease, which I haven't done in a while. So I'm just going to start mapping it out. I don't want to waste any of this. So. Okay. Hopefully this isn't a flop, but I'm just kind of, oh, did you see that glue right there? Oh, this is the first time I've like glued my brows, so don't come for me. Oh god, I already got a little chunk of glue. Come on, dude. Alright, I'm sorry guys if it's gonna make it harder to hear, but I need to turn on the fan. It's either that or we're never gonna get through this video. This is better, right? This is way better. Yay! Okay, so I'm starting with a heart. As you can see, I'm just gonna fill it in and then slowly just build up that perfect shape that I want. I think another brush might work better for this, so let me switch over. Okay, I think this one might be better. Oh, this is totally not the one I meant to grab. Well, that was really weird. I saw it and then it disappeared. And I grabbed this one instead. Okay. I have an itch. Okay. I'm taking this little tiny elf brush. Whatever. And I'm gonna fill in. Let me look at the photo again. I think I still need like really big, like I still need more red. I need it to be like really prominent. Okay, now I need my packing brush. Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot my genius idea for a second. Like the thing that's gonna pull this whole thing together. Okay, now I can like kind of relax a little bit since I got this hard part done. I'm gonna set this, sorry, I'm using this Raw Beauty Christie palette, my favorite palette ever. I don't know if I've ever had such a good palette that I get so much use out of. I'm going for Flavor Town up here. Come on, focus, don't focus on me, I know I'm pretty. Okay, let's set her. Let's set her and forget her, am I right? I always thought that if I put my camera in this spot, it would be a little too cramped and too close, but I actually really like it. So I'm happy. And then this will look even better when I clean it up with some concealer, of course. I really hope that this whole thing is set because I don't want it to smudge. I'm just trying to get all the little spots with red. Okay, next we're gonna cut the crease. Which brush am I gonna use for that now? I think we'll use this one. And this has always been a really good crease brush too. I guess I'll use an eyeshadow primer. Because why not? It's probably gonna get expired soon if I don't anyways. Look at my hand, it's a mess. I swear you guys, this is every tutorial. My hand looks like a mess, a hot mess. Okay, let's do this. I think I'm gonna try to make my crease even bigger than it is, just to make a little illusion. Okay, you see this little red, like how it's kind of getting pink in the middle where this line here? I'm gonna put this colored, what's it called? Cafe Disco right there. Just to cover it. I think I'm gonna go in with a brush actually so I can be more precise. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I'm going to clean up with concealer now. Okay, it's not perfect, but you know what? I did my best. Okay, let me get my lash glue. Dipping into Lumos. Crap. It's stuck to the tweezers. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay, let me just pick it up with my hands. Have you ever put eyeballs on your face? Is it just me? I'm not gonna try to move. I think if I laugh, I'm gonna like literally knock it off with my wrinkles in my face. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go finish this eye, then I'm gonna do my liner and my lashes, and I'll be back to finish out this look. I'm just gonna let this dry, so I'll be right So for my lashes, I ended up not using big lashes because I didn't want to cover up my work. I used the Muri lashes, and I just used the little cutoff part on the end, so it's like a really small lash. Okay, just a little touch on the bottom here. Okay guys, I'm done. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here and making it till the end. I really appreciate you. I hope you're having an amazing day. Please give me a like, of course, if you like this video, so I know it really helps me out, so I can just figure out, oh, okay, everybody likes this kind of video, so I'm gonna do that again. And then go ahead and ring the bell so you can be notified when I post next. I still want to be posting at least one more Valentine's Day look, so stay tuned, girl. And what was the other thing? Subscribe, like, bell, and then follow my Instagram if you want, because I'm going to be posting really cute selfies of all these looks that I'm doing, and I'm going to be doing updates over there, so you can look at my IG stories and find out when I'm filming, editing, and uploading. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you later. Bye.